I am excited to show you guys another luxury unboxing. It definitely collapses. It's very flexible, bendy. It's giant. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Attorney Brooke. I am excited to show you guys another luxury unboxing of a really fun item that has been on like my ultra wish list for such a long time, and it is a Prada like raffia bag. I always throw like the most outrageous wish list items on like Christmas like wish list and birthday wish list, and like my mom and also my future mother-in-law are like amazing and they understand my addiction to like bags and shoes, so they are absolutely fabulous and got me this bag for my birthday. So I wanted to do an unboxing and show you guys. It is the Prada Rafia like beach tote. I'm gonna show you how absolutely ridiculous this bag is. I mean, come on, it's giant. Yeah, that's hilarious to me, but we'll just jump right into it. So it comes with this insane box, big old box, which who knows, I have nothing to do with this, so it probably will get thrown out, but so I died when I opened this and was not expecting this at all. My family is fantastic to me. So here is the dust bag that it comes in. I do keep my dust bags, really like those. So yeah, here's this. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Oh. There she is in all her Prada glory. Look at that Prada, y'all. So, okay, here's the front. You get your classic Prada emblem and logoing. This is like that raffia like straw type material. And then this type of engraving here with the same type of material, but obviously in black. This is the other side of it. And then swooping it around, you get the classic Prada emblem and brooch right there. And then your two little handles. Now I have found that it's kind of hard for me to carry it on my shoulder. Like I just wouldn't carry it like that. It cuts off like the shoulder mobility. So I definitely carry this just kind of like down by my side, or I've been carrying it just like this. Super cute. Now I will show you what it's like. It has a lot of the tissue still in it. Now I'll show you the inside. So in the inside, this is, you get that, again, the Prada tag. And then the inside is literally just this. And if I were to like just set it here, it's gonna like fall. It's definitely collapses. It's very flexible, bendy. So yeah, this is like truly a classic like beach bag. There's not gonna be a lot of structure. So if that's something that you're wanting in a good tote, then not gonna be the right style for you. But I really wanted something like truly for like beach bags, summer tote, you know, running errands, things like that. I just think it's so fun. Now if you're someone that needs more like a professional work bag with some structure, things like that, then no. But I have carried this on several trips so far, so like through the airport, things like that, and it has held up beautifully. One thing that the sales associate did mention is that this specific material does tend to grab stains and hold on to it, so like be very careful, and like obviously like putting liquids in here, having food or liquids around it, maybe like pens where ink could possibly spill, because the individual mentioned that it will stain the bag and that it won't come out. So yeah, just wanted to hop on, show you guys what this was all about. I have thoroughly been enjoying carrying this bag. I think it's the perfect little summer bag. YSL has their own version of this, and it was between the Prada and the YSL, and I just was gifted this amazing Prada one, so I didn't have like one choice over the other. But I do have this bag by YSL. I just want to show you like the difference. This is more, it's a fabric, more of like this like Scotch Guard like linen type, and it obviously you can see it has more structure. It's gonna like sit up when I set it down. It has like more of the boning, more of this like leather handles. So this could be super cute, but also super great for a traveling tote, work bag if you need to throw a laptop in there, stuff like that, running errands. But I just wanted to quickly show you the difference. And this one absolutely could be carried as a beach bag. It's just more chic, I think, and more of like a statement. And I've seen it styled that way. Not to say I wouldn't, but like if I'm truly going like on the beach, for me personally, this is like a little much, but maybe if I'm like gallivanting around town or something, this would be more of like what I would snag. Just wanted to show you a super quick difference, and then wanted to hop on and show you this beautiful Prada that we just love. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. If you've snagged a good like Rafia summer bag, just drop me some comments. If you liked this video, want to see any more of that luxury unboxing, hit that subscribe button. I have more coming your way. Give me a thumbs up on this video as well. All right, you guys, that's it, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye.